There are few companies that offer top-quality plasma cutting and welding equipment, but one company has made a reputation for designing the best equipment, then standing by the people who buy it. Thermadyne Automation makes some of the most precise fabrication components in the industry, including thermal dynamics plasma cutting systems. We're a global manufacturer of metal cutting and welding hard goods, and it's our ability to work with systems manufacturers that has earned us our very loyal customers. Listen to Bill Kuntz, head of Torchmate CNC Cutting Systems, a pioneer in the design of affordable cutting machines for small shops.
If I had to rate Thermadyne Automation's customer service on a scale of 1 to 10, it would be a 10 every time. Thermadyne is by far one of the best companies that I've worked with when it comes to taking care of the customer after the sale. We spend a lot of time on the phone with all of the potential customers that call us and that we call on, trying to figure out what CNC solution will work best for them, what size table, what size plasma cutter, how long they'll be running it each day. There's a pretty in-depth process that goes on before we will even let someone buy one of our products. Nothing but high hopes for the future when it comes to the relationship between Torchmate and Thermal Dynamics and Thermadyne Automation. We've spent a lot of time growing this relationship, and they've worked hard and we've worked hard, and I think our customers get the best product when they put a Thermadyne Automation product on it.
Thermadyne Automation offers a full range of equipment for metal fabrication, including plasma cutting systems and welding robotics. Our brands include Victor, Thermal Dynamics, Thermal Arc, Arcair, Tweco, TurboTorch, Studi, and Sigweld. Manufacturers across the industry count on Thermadyne Automation to add value to their systems. Fast Cut CNC, an innovative seller of CNC plasma cutters to the entry-level industrial market, is another manufacturer that's sold on Thermadyne. Here are Russ Gallup and Carlo Barella.
Every time Fast Cut CNC sells a plasma table, a Thermadyne plasma cutter is included with it. This is an advantage for the customer due to quality and support from Fast Cut and Thermadyne Automation. As a company, when Fast Cut CNC is dealing with a potential customer, the first thing we do is ask them and figure out what's going to be the best process for them. Specialty applications, stainless steel, bronze, aluminum, mild steel, everybody's different. It gets very technical. Thermadyne is always there to help with the technical support, cut samples, phone calls to potential customers to find the right fit for them. So at the end of the day, they're making money and they're happy.
Support from Thermadyne is outstanding. They'll take over the conversation with the customer and answer anything they ever need to know. Thermadyne Automation is a great company to be partnered with when it comes to planning for the future. Either it's their new automated gas console box or the robotic torches. We know that they're always going to have the products that we're going to grow into in the future.
Koike Aronson Ransom, a leading manufacturer of cutting and positioning equipment, is another manufacturer that has profited from a close working relationship with Thermadyne Automation. Here's Brad Williams, Koike's National Sales Manager.
The support from the Thermadyne Automation team has been excellent. They're very responsive to our needs. You call them, and it's almost like a family atmosphere. The way that we try to help the customer out as far as applications go is we need to first of all know the type of material that he wants to cut, what the material is going to be used for. Of course, it depends on the type of material. Again, is it mild steel, is it aluminum, is it stainless? Cutting widths, cutting lengths. We have to get all that information, and then we can come up with the proper equipment for the application. The Thermal Dynamics Automation plasma systems with their secondary water mist system are superior to their competition for cutting the stainless and aluminum. The results are basically zero dross at the bottom of a very smooth edge. With Thermadyne Automation's newest equipment they've come out with, the automated gas systems, I believe that we will be doing a lot more business with them in the future.
Thermadyne Automation has the technology and the support. If your systems use plasma cutting and welding equipment, start to build your own successful partnership with Thermadyne Automation.